So yeah, guys, for this DIY we'll need a photo frame. Of course, I'm taking wooden photo frame. Then we will need a thick sheet, um, and we will need a A3 sheet on which we will draw something, and you will see a head. And next thing we will need is a permanent marker. You can take a sketch pen also. And now we'll need paints. I'm taking watercolors. You can take any colors because watercolors will give a nice effect. Then we'll take sponges. I'm taking two sponges, one for light and one for dark color, and water, paintbrush, and pencil. And I'm taking here plate because my palette is small for this DIY, so I'm taking plate. You can take anything on which you can put these paints. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, my sheet is ready and my pencil. So now I will draw a girl here. You can draw anything you like. I'm drawing a girl. If you like dog or if you like anything, you can draw. I also like dogs. And if you like these kinds of videos, so just like these videos. And you can also see my challenges. I have done it with my friends. And yeah, now my girl is ready. So it is looking like this. I'm not done it with details, means eyes, nose, only the outline of her. Now I will just outline it with my permanent marker. So yeah, my girl is ready. And now we will erase all the extra lines of the pencil. So I have done erasing all the extra lines. So now I'm taking plate as my palette. Now I'll take my colors. I'm first taking the blue color. So here I have taken the color in my plate. Now I will add water into it with the help of my brush. So yeah, I have added water. Now I've added a lot of water, so I will add some more color into it and we will mix it one more time. This is the perfect color that I want. And now we will repeat this thing with all the colors, but first just clean your brush, otherwise blue color will come in your next color. So now I'm taking my purple color. So do the same thing with all the colors. Now I'm using this yellow. So yellow is a light color, so just change your water. I have also changed my water because it's a light color. So now you can see that little bit of blue color is coming in yellow color, so that is why you will have to change water. Or you can first do the light colors and then the dark colors. Now I'm using orange color. I'm using these four colors. You can use more color. So now I have done the colors, and now we will take the goal, and now we will take the sponge. Use two sponges, one for dark and one for light, not the same sponge. Now first I will do the violet color, and you have to just play with colors here and there, and if the color comes out, doesn't matter, you will cut it out after, so it will just not come. And use the different side for the blue color. You have to just play with colors here and there, like I'm doing. Now I will use the different sponge for the yellow color and orange color here and there, here and there. Okay, so I have just completed my thing, and I know it's looking bad now, but when it is finished it will look nice. So now we will just cut it out. So yeah, let's cut. So yeah, here my girl is ready, and now we will just make broad outlining of the girl. So I'll just show you how is it. Like this it will look much better. So yeah, I have just completed, and yeah, it's ready. See, now our girl is looking so good. And now we will take our the thick paper, we'll take that, and now we will stick the girl on it. You can just stick it in the middle of the paper, but I'm sticking it on this side, and on the rest of the part I will write the code. If I will stick it in the between, it will look plain, that is why. So now I'm sticking it. Stick it nicely. So yeah, I have sticked it. Now let's write the code. I'm writing it with the pencil because I'm not good at freehand. I told you in my previous video. And I'm writing the quote, love your manners. I like this quote very much. That is why. So now it's ready, as you can see. So now we will outline it with permanent marker. I will give it a little bit of calligraphy touch. I will do it like that. So yeah guys, I have completed and I am just giving the finishing touch. And here we are done, and this is looking very nice, colorful, plain, and it's looking very nice. So now we will just erase the extremes of the pencil. Not now, means we will let the paper dry because the permanent marker will spread if we will erase now. So yeah, let's keep it aside for drawing. So the permanent marker has dried. Now let's erase. So I have done erasing. So this is a photo frame. It is looking very nice. We have done everything. We have written the code, and our girl is also ready. You can make anything you like, as I said before. And now the last thing is left to just set it up, means to just bring this paper into the photo frame. So yeah, this is the photo frame. So now let's arrange the paper into this. I have used the photo frame paper only. I have just flipped this, and yeah, I had plain side. You can use a normal paper, cut it into the size of the photo frame, and you are done. I've just used photo frame paper only, and it is looking more attractive. Now let's just set up the cardboard. I'm just using my scale for just breaking it on. The clips, you can take the help of any elder to for doing this work. So, are you ready for the reveal?